Dun, dun, dun. Hey guys, now we have a very special and innovative technology gadget for product for you. And during the virus spread it everywhere, so we're more focused on the health of our life, and especially when for the daily everyday use the products such as smartphone. And today's project is mainly focused on the health for our daily life daily used product is for cleaning the smartphone we use every day, and it's called Simplehuman, and it's a clean station, or it's a sanitizer box for the smartphone, and it's very high end and very simple design product. It's very useful, very useful product for our daily life use. And I really like the design because it looks so balanced when I put it together with my Apple MacBook Mac Air. It looks so similar. I mean, the material and also the design is very simple and looks so beautiful and high end. Actually, the price for this product is not cheap. It's around $200 now, and take me a lot of time to buy it. And this is the Simplehuman, and it's the sanitizer box. And now this is my iPhone 13 Pro, and it's very. I will show you how to use it because it's very easy to use it. Now I just need to take it out, and then if you have something or your phone want to clean, you just need to put it here, because here there is something very soft to protect it from dust, and we just need to put our smartphone here, and it will go down automatically, and then after 30 minutes, and yes, 30 minutes, it will clean it and go up. So this is the tools for cleaning the smartphone. And here you find more information about this product. It provides 2 years warranty and cleaning in 30 seconds, fast enough to use while you wash your hands. Touch-free, gem-free, no new touch, and gel-free. Nothing escape from the light. Yeah. Okay, now it's done, and now it got a very I will say it's a very health and cleaned with a cleaned iPhone. So it's very easy, and I really like the design. It's very useful, and it's very simple, and it's really convenient, useful, especially for such a special and period. So what do you think of such niche product? Because it's really niche product. Not everyone will buy it, and maybe some just for show off. And what do you think about such a bit high or expensive product? Let me know your thoughts on this product. And this is a very nice design. I really like it. You can take a close look at it. Yeah, you just need to connect to the power, and then you will know how to use this. Just put your phone inside here, inside this area, and it will go down automatically. So thanks for watching my video, and make a comment and let me know your thought about this product. Thanks. Bye bye.